I'm Beverly Eubank, the principal of Inyokern Elementary. So here at Inyokern, we have many issues with the pipes. Our pipes are cast iron, so as time goes on, sometimes they collapse on themselves. When they collapse on themselves, then we lose sewer, and it can cause a lot of problems. We also have problems with drains, because with the drains, we have certain classrooms that cannot use their drinking fountains because of that. We are just worried about how much longer it's going to last. So over time, as you can see, things are starting to fall apart a little bit here at Inyokern. This is no longer a painting issue. It has to do with the fact that the wood is now deteriorating. And if you look, it is now breaking apart on the different window panes. One of the things I'm really proud of at Inyokern is our academic excellence. We have been a blue ribbon school and a gold ribbon school. One of the areas that we really are concerned about is this wall. It's our library wall. When it rains, what happens is that sometimes the rain will come in at the very top of the roof, come between the brick wall and the inside wall, and create a waterfall that goes on the inside and comes out on the bottom. So this is the other side of the wall. This is the wall where the water was in between the inside wall and the outside wall. Throughout the campus, we have areas where the concrete is starting to break up on our walkways. They've been patched, but as you know, patching sometimes just falls apart. Instead of patching, we really need new concrete. As you can see, some of our desks here at Inyokern have problems. They're falling apart, the tops are ripping off, and the whole top is starting to separate from the base. We have walls like this in our campus. As you can see, all the plywood needs to be replaced and make sure that we can keep the barrier from the outside to the inside so that kids can be safe. This is also the classroom that had 38 gallons of water extracted from its carpet last year when the roofs failed, and all the water from the 3 classrooms ended up in this classroom. We are really in sore need of new roofing. None of these solutions are cheap. They cost millions of dollars.